In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a demo account in Exness in mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Accounts tab at the bottom left, and then at the very top right, you can see there's going to be a plus button to the very far right of where it says Accounts. Tap on that plus. And from here, you'll have to basically select which type of account you want to open. You have Standard, Standard Send, Pro, Raw Spread, or Zero over here. Of course, select the one you want. I'm just going to go with Standard. And then you want to press Continue at the bottom. Now, over here at the top, to create a demo account, you want to switch from Real to Demo. And then on here, you can, of course, select the currency. So you have USD by default. But, of course, there's a lot of others. You can just select the one you want. And when you've done that, you can, of course, select Max Leverage. As you can see here, there's also the option to do that. I'm actually gonna put it at a lower one or over here. I'm gonna tap on yes, there we go. And then you have to select your platform. It could be either MT5, so MetaTrader 5, or MT4, MetaTrader 4. And of course, I'm gonna leave it like this. It's up to you, whichever you use. And then you have a nickname, which is optional. You can give it a name if you wanna. I'm just going to skip this. After that, at the bottom, it says continue. Press on that. And then from here, you have to give it a trading password you're going to use to log into MetaTrader. And as you can see, there's some requirements you have to meet to be able to create it. I just actually created a password here, so I'm just going to paste it in here. There we go. And then whenever you have your password, and make sure you actually know it, so don't forget it. And then I'm going to tap on create account at the bottom. And when you do this, you'll be able to see, there we go. As you can see, it says your account is ready for trading, and I now have it over here. Now to deposit money on it, you can just tap on this deposit button over here in the middle of your screen, select how much you want. For example, if I want 10K, I can just type it in, press continue, and that money is going to get deposited into your demo account here, and you can use it to start trading. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.